High Performance Systems here with another case study. We were called in to install a urethane cement flooring system inside a restaurant bar in New Jersey. This client had a pre-existing floor in the space that was made of plywood, making this project especially unique. Before we could begin the installation process, we needed to ensure that the surface was clean, dry, and free from any contamination by sanding down the surface and ensuring a proper mechanical profile. Since the subfloor was made of plywood, before we could begin installation of the epoxy resin, we had to ensure that the joints were filled with GP 3552 flexible epoxy membrane. Once that was finished, we were ready to install the fast top urethane cement slurry system. This system was perfect for the restaurant kitchen as it ensures an anti-slip surface. After that was cured, we installed the top coat of GP 4850 polyspartic because it would provide a high gloss finish as well as create a surface that protects against slips and spills. Although this project had an extensive preparation period, we were able to complete the entire project in less than 3 days. This flooring system will be able to withstand heavy foot traffic, oil and grease spills, and chemical washdowns for many years to come. For your next urethane cement flooring project, contact us at High Performance Systems. We would love to create the epoxy flooring system of your dreams, so call us today.